Say hi.
Hi, Lisa subscribers.
What's up, adventurers? That should be doing.
Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh. Tell me everything. You know I'm listening.
What's up, adventurers? Hey, get your foot out of the way.
Sweet lady.
This is a sweet lady from Waiahole Poi Factory.
Okay, you're gonna try it?
I have to wear my contacts. Unless I know I'm going to like super long drive. Good. Oh no.
Oh no.
Did you get it with the Kulolo?
Underneath.
At the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. You like it?
Is it good?
Good.
Oh, yours is steamy. Or it's from the phone.
Probably from the Kulolo, but I can't grab it. It's like all the way at the bottom. No, I can't grab any.
Come on. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. You like it? You should try it. I always find interesting things, but I can't buy it. Is it hard finding the Kulolo? Oh. Hey.
Maybe like back up. You're so close. It's like.
See, something like this would be good, but I don't know if I can get it into my car. Is it? Sorry. I'm not a great camera taker.
You know what? You just need some practice. Nice. Yummy. The cap's off on.
You're ready for a camera.
Well, I thought you wanted to buy one.
Is it good, Rex? Yeah? Most happy dance.
4v4. No Russian, I guess.
Oh, cute hat. Cute hat. Thank you.
Oh, shit. I thought you were doing a TikTok dance. And I don't want to.
Victory! Victory!
Battle scars.
And battle
I got hit around here.
Woo! MVP Sharia! Woo!
was watching me.
Yeah.
Just one.
Let it out more. Wow. Oh no, tree. Let it out. Yeah, there we go. Let it out. Run. Go.
I'm tired.
Oh, you.
What's up, adventurers? We're almost to our destination of Haleiwa. This is where COVID,
Was it that turn?
Yeah, it was.
this is where COVID started.
Our COVID super spreader vacation.
That was great. Went off from
Wow, these are huge.
Whoa.
Holy crap. No.